In this question, we're adding rational expressions. So you need to factor first. Done. Done. And then look to get a common denominator. And so this one needs a y plus 1, good. This one needs a y minus 2, good. And then you write it out like this. Now at this point, you might be tempted to factor out a 1 here and factor out a 7 maybe, and then do some canceling. But you can't do that because if you cancel, you won't have a common denominator anymore. So at this point, what you want to do is write one common denominator. So y minus 1, y minus 2, y plus 1. And then just write what you have on top. 3y plus 3 plus 7y minus 14. Then collect like terms on the top. So 3y and 7y would be 10y. 3 minus 14 is negative 9 over my common denominator. And then I like to try and factor that top thing just in case I get a common factor. But there's nothing you can do on that top. You can't get a common factor of anything up at the top there. So I would just leave my answer just like that.